The line's not connecting. How am I supposed to do prefab design with this software? I can't even get my lines to connect. The lines are not connecting, Mike. Why are the lines not connecting?
Oh, I don't have that problem. I'm using Vertex BD. It's an automated BIM software for prefab and modular construction.
Automated? What do you mean?
Well, it generates drawings and reports automatically. Vertex BD allows me to quickly visualize that all materials and components fit perfectly. It's made my life a lot easier.
Oh.
You should try it out. For professionals. Like you and me.
Your life does seem amazing, Mike.
Mm-hmm.